Welcome to channel Coins Worth Money. Today I will discuss a rare valuable coin from United States. This coin was issued in 1982 and the denomination is 5 cents. The portrait is of Jefferson nickel. Well, the Jefferson nickel was debuted in 1938 and it replaced the Buffalo nickel in the 25th year of its production run. Well, a design contest to commemorate founding father and the third president of the United States, Thomas Jefferson, was open to all American sculptors. It was held in 1937. Well, German emigre and American artist Felix Oscar Schlag was the winner, and he received $1,000 for his effort. Well, Schleg's concept for the obverse, which art scholar Cornelius Vermeule claimed was similar to Jean Anthony Houdon's 1789 bust of Jefferson, and it appeared essentially the same on the 5-cent nickel for 66 years. Now, the original reverse concept, however, featured an innovative three-quarters perspectives of the Jefferson's mansion Monticello, but it was rejected by the Treasury Department, and various changes were requested, the most significant of which is the flat head on the portrayal of the Monticello that is found on the Jefferson nickel minted to this day. Well, the United States Mint took a 2-year hiatus on manufacturing US Mint uncirculated coin sets starting in 1982, which means that nearly every uncirculated coin produced by the Mint in 1982 or 83 survived because collectors set these coins aside after they entered into commerce. Now, there are a few exceptions to this rule, and those are coins that are United States Mint pulled from the production to package into US Mint, souvenir sets that were sold at the Philadelphia and Denver mints. Well, this is a valuable coin and it is a beautiful coin. There's a very beautifully engraved portrait of Thomas Jefferson. Okay, thank you and subscribe to my channel.